Yo, so today I want to do my morning market analysis for 18 May, Monday. And today we don't have orders that contain sensitive news. So we are expecting the market to move very, very, very good without any distraction from the news. But we will see what is going to happen during the day, because if there is no news on the Forex factory, there is also going to be some news that will come, like geopolitical news. So we'll see if we are going to have that. But I think today we are okay. So without further ado, let's go to the charts and analyze the charts for the market opening. So we want to start with Euro USD today. We want to start with Euro USD. So yesterday I did my weekend market analysis. So I'm going to just justify on that, on what I think the market is going to do today and then or during the rest of the week. So right now I just want to see if the analysis I did yesterday is going to align with the one that I see right now. So right now on USD there is nothing changed on that. I think the euro is gaining power because we don't have a jump to the downside or a jump to the upper side. The market opened at exactly the same point where it left. So we think that we are going to see our move to the upper side, and then we are going to have our trade that we said we want from Euro USD. So right now we are looking for a move to the upper side. Let's go to daily. My chart is not clean. I want to remove some of the indicators. So right now I think the market wants to move to the upper side, and when it finish moving to the upper side, moving to the upper side, it is going to go down again, and then when it goes up, it's like it is consolidating to give itself momentum to go to the upper side to get some sell pressure, and then continues to go down to reach this level. If it is going to reach it, or it is going to just left it. So this is my analysis for Monday. I don't want to modify a lot on it. I just want to give some more points on it. So I just want to see if the market is going to respect it, like during today and tomorrow, or maybe also Wednesday. So this is it for Euro USD. I think we are now going to USD CAD. Most of the pairs this week, I don't think we are going to trade them because of their structure. All the pairs did move, yes, like last week with greater move. So I don't think they are going to create some good moves also this week. So there will be like other pairs that can be traded on, but I don't think we are going to get some good trades on the one that I have right here, especially USD CAD. No, I can't even analyze it because of the structure of it. So I want to go to USD CHF. I have a continuation, but we have a jump to the downside. I don't know if it is going to continue, but this is the chart that I have a trade on, and it is still open. So I don't want to give like too much emphasis on it. I just want to see it reaching my target, and this is it for USD CAD. Very, very good move. The US dollar have some strength in it, and it is moving to the upside, and it is able to push the CHF. So right now what I want to be worried, maybe it is the trend line, because we want to see also, or to follow some rules, not just being able to, we want to follow some rules and be able to see what the markets can do after that. So yes, this is going to be maybe my next, or the place I'm going to close my trade, because it is now creating some doji candlestick. So if it is creating doji candlestick like this, I think it is now ready to go down, but we will see during the day. Right, what I want right here is to create something like this, to be able to continue going to the downside. So yes, this is what I want. So yeah, we'll see. But this is it for USD CHF. USD CHF. It was a very, very good move. Very, very, very good move. Now we want to go to NZD USD. NZD USD. The charts are also not clean. So what we want from this one is a move to the upper side. But what I think I did not see last week was this trend line, and the market did respected the trend line. A move to the I was not wise enough to see this trend line. I don't know what was happening to me, but I don't know what happened, but this move was good. Like the type of setup was very good, but I didn't see it. I thought maybe the market was going to take this one because of the liquidity on top. Sometimes this one doesn't work, sometimes it works, so you need to be wise about it. That's why I don't like to use trend line that much, because sometimes it doesn't work like that. So maybe this is why I didn't see the end, because I was waiting for the liquidation of the top part. If I have entered a trade on this one and on this region, and the market went to this high, but not always this one. Trend lines, sometimes the market doesn't respect them, and sometimes it does. So we will see. I will try next time to see, but I only consider sweeps more than trend lines. So yes, this is it for NZD, but I think the market is going to do what we want, not what it is giving us, like a move to the downside like this. This is something that we can say we are not considering it. The market is supposed to go again to the upside, and then it will come back to the direct direction. I know the market wants to sell. I know the market wants to sell. Let me go today so that I will see if it is also allowing it. Yes, it is allowing it. I know the market wants to sell big time, but right now it went down unnoticed, so I think it is going to sell maybe in the near future. But right now, yes, we want a move to the upper side. Maybe during this week or next week. But this is it for NZD, and if NZD gains power over USD, I think something good is going to happen. Also, I will highlight you on that. That's why I say you need to know different types of pairs. How do they behave for you to be able to see the change between one pair and the other? So right, this pair is a USD. No, I don't know what is happening to my mouse. I don't know what is happening to my mouse. I think I need a new battery. On it. So yes, this is Euro AUD USD. Very, very hard to analyze. I don't want to lie. Very hard to analyze, and the movements it is creating I cannot understand them. So let me go to GBP USD. GBP, yesterday I said I think the market is going to continue moving to the downside. So if it is going to continue moving to the downside, we will let it move there, and then we'll look for our trades directly after it reaches the bottom side. So yes, I think this is what we are going to do. We will take the trade, or we will find another opportunity direct when the market reaches this low. Right now, we'll go to NZT card. NZT card last week, it did give us a move to the downside, which was good, but it was hard to see if it is going to take that move. But also, we we need to consider that for most of the time the chart is always on a downtrend, so it is impossible for the NZD to hold the Canadian dollar for a longer time, because from what I can analyze or what I can see is that it is always the Canadian dollar is moving the NZD. The NZD will be having energy or having not energy, will be having momentum to push the card, but immediately the card will just move the NZD to the downside, and the NZD will continue to try to push the card to the upside, but the NZD will be just weaker than the Canadian dollar. So yes, I think yes, so I think NZD and Canadian dollar, the card is always pushing the NZD down, the New Zealand dollar down. So this is what I'm able to analyze right now. Most of the time, card is always moving the New Zealand to the downside, even though the NZD tries to move the card upside. But both of them we will be able to get to know how they move. But most card is always moving the downside. Whenever I see a move which is very steep to the upside created by the NZD, I'll also I'll let that the card is going to be moving the NZD down fast. So we go to AUD card. AUD card is just a move to the downside, but without anything that we can see we can find. So we go to BTC again. We go to BTC. BTC is this is just a pullback to the downside. We go to AUD on the market opening today. I think let me close all the thing by high. We will see maybe on Tuesday, because we can't take trades right now. Right now we be induced or be chopped on this choppy area of the market. So on the USJPY also, the move is just an upward movement, showing that the USD have power than the Japanese yen. AUD also, Euro AUD, a move to the upside, but this one we said no, we are not going to consider it unless we have more knowledge about it. We are going to leave it for maybe this month again and next month for us to get familiar with it. And this one is also GBP AUD, so both of the two we are going to leave them. And this one is CHF, card CHF, and I think on card CHF we are going to have maybe a nice downtrend after some time, but we are going to have a nice downtrend. We need to just find an area that we are going to take our sell, but this is a nice pullback to the upper side. So we'll find our nice downtrend from, I don't know where are we going to take it, but I think the market is going maybe to hold until it reaches this level, and we need a complete turn to the downside that is going to give us a confirmation that the market have changed its direction, and we will see what is going to happen. So we go to GBP NZD, and the GBP NZD we said we are going to take a trade on it, but what I want from GBP NZD is that it needs some downward movement and some consolidation, and we need the markets to always to show us that it have fully considered that side I said I want to open a trade. So we'll see what it is going to give us during the day, so that we'll be able to open a trade on it. And then we'll go to Euro NZD. Euro NZD is continuing moving with the upper side, but from what I know is that we are having a series of of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I think this is a lower high in the market retraced to the downside. I don't know what is happening to my mouse, but I'm about to finish. So GBP card, yes, I think the market is going to go to the upper side, then it will move to the downside or continue the downside. We will see, and then after that. So this is it for this video. I think I have to end the video on now.